Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is Agriculture. Question number 1. Coffee cultivation in Sri Lanka was abandoned because of the disease. Option A. Leaf blight. Option B. Leaf spot. Option C. Leaf rust. Option D. Rut. The correct answer is Option C. Leaf rust. Coffee cultivation in Sri Lanka was abandoned because of the leaf rust disease which affects the fruit and leaf of coffee. The causative fungus is Haemeria vastarix. Question number 2. Which one of the following sets of conditions is necessary for a good crop of wheat? Option A. Moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. Option B. High temperature and heavy rainfall. Option C. High temperature and moderate rainfall. Option D. Low temperature and low rainfall. The correct answer is Option A. Moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. Wheat is a temperate region crop, thus require moderate temperature and rainfall both. The temperature should not exceed above 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall should be between 50 to 100 centimeters along with the first free growing season. Question number 3. Which one of the following is an important crop of the Barak Valley? Option A. Jute. Option B. Tea. Option C. Sugarcane. Option D. Cotton. The correct answer is Option A. Jute. The important crop of Barak Valley is jute because Barak Valley is situated in Assam. The temperature across the valley varies from 25 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius and rainfall vary from 100 to 200 centimeters, which is ideal for jute cultivation. Question number 4. Which one of the following areas of India produces the largest amount of cotton? Option A. North, West India and Gangetic West Bengal. Option B. North, West and Western India. Option C. Western and Southern India. Option D. Plains of Northern India. The correct answer is Option C. Western and Southern India. Western and Southern India produces the largest cotton. Maharashtra 26.63%, Gujarat 17.67%, Andhra Pradesh 13.75%, and Madhya Pradesh are the leading producers in India. Question number 5. Which one of the following is cultivated by transplanting seedlings? Option A. Maize. Option B. Sorghum. Option C. Onion. Option D. Soybean. The correct answer is Option C. Onion. Onion is cultivated by transplanting seedlings. Question number 6. The following are the major oilseeds produced in India. Option A. Sesame. Option B. Mustard. Option C. Groundnut. Option D. Soybean. The correct answer is Option D. Soybean. Question number 7. Which one of the following agricultural practices is eco-friendly? Option A. Organic farming. Option B. Shifting cultivation. Option C. Cultivation of high-yielding varieties. Option D. Growing plants in glass houses. The correct answer is Option A. Organic farming. Organic farming is a production system of crops that avoids the use of synthetic and chemical inputs like fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators, and livestock feed additives. Question number 8. The high density of population in Nile Valley and the islands of Java is primarily due to Option A. Intensive agriculture. Option B. Industrialization. Option C. Urbanization. Option D. Topographic limitations. The correct answer is Option A. Intensive agriculture. Due to the availability of fertile alluvial soil, intensive agricultural practices were possible in the Nile River and islands of Java. So, in these regions, a high density of the population is found. Question number 9. With reference to Indian agriculture, Which one of the following statements is correct? Option A. About 90% of the area under pulses in India is rainfed. Option B. Share of pulses in the gross crop at the national level has doubled in the last 2 decades. Option C. India accounts for about 15% of the total area under rice in the world. Option D. Rice occupies about 34% of the gross crop in India. The correct answer is Option A. About 90% of the area under pulses in India is rainfed. In India agriculture about 90% of the area under pulses is rainfed, but pulses need less water for cultivation, so the production of pulse hampers. Question number 10. The Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, whose permission is required for the cultivation of any genetically modified crop such as BT cotton in India, is under the Union Ministry of Option A. Agriculture. Option B. Environment and Forests. Option C. Commerce and Industry. Option D. Rural Development. The correct answer is Option A. Agriculture. The Genetic Engineering Approval Committee comes under the Ministry of Environment, Forest, and Climate Change. Question number 11. Which one of the following statements is correct? Option A. The first meeting of the parties, MOP, to the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety was held in Philippines in the year 2004. Option B. India is not a signatory to the Biosafety Protocol or Convention on Biological Diversity. Option C. The Biosafety Protocol deals with genetically modified organisms. Option D. United States of America is member of the Biosafety Protocol or Convention on Biological Diversity. The correct answer is Option C. The Biosafety Protocol deals with genetically modified organisms. Biosafety Protocol is an agreement designed to regulate international trade, handling, and use of any genetically engineered organism that may have adverse effects on the conservation and sustainable use of biological diversity, taking also into account risks to human health. Question number 12. Which one of the following is the correct sequence in the decreasing order of production, in million tons, of the given food grains in India? Option A. Wheat, rice, pulses, coarse cereals. Option B. Rice, wheat, pulses, coarse cereals. Option C. Wheat, rice, coarse cereals, pulses. Option D. Rice, wheat, coarse cereals, pulses. The correct answer is Option D. Rice, wheat, coarse cereals, pulses. The production of rice is 96.43 mount, wheat is 78.4 mount, pulses are 15.11 mount and coarse cereals are 40.73 mount in India. So, the correct sequence in decreasing order is rice, wheat, coarse cereals, pulses. Question number 13. Dalbergia species is associated with which one of the following? Option A. Cashew nut. Option B. Coffee. Option C. Tea. Option D. Rosewood. The correct answer is Option D. Rosewood. Rosewood is associated with Dalbergia species. Dalbergia species are used as food plants and fragrant wood in aromatic oils. Question number 14. Which one of the following places was associated with Acharya Vinoba Bhave's Bhoodan movement at the beginning of the movement? Option A. Udayagiri. Option B. Rapur. Option C. Pochmapalli. Option D. Venkatagiri. The correct answer is Option C. Pochmapalli. Bhoodan movement was a voluntary land reform movement in India started by Acharya Vinoba Bhave on April 18, 1951, started at Pochmapalli village, in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 15. Which one amongst the following has the largest livestock population in the world? Option A. Brazil. Option B. China. Option C. India. Option D. USA. The correct answer is Option C. India. India has the largest livestock population in the world, having 57% of the world's buffalo population and 14% of the cattle population. According to the 17th India's Livestock Census, 2003, the country has about 18.5 crore cattle and 9.8 crore buffalo, with a total livestock of 48 to 50 crore and total poultry of 48.90 crores. Question number 16. Given below are the names of 4 energy crops. Which one of them can be cultivated for ethanol? Option A. Jatropha. Option B. Maize. Option C. Pogamia. Option D. Sunflower. The correct answer is option B. Maize. Question number 17. Salinization occurs when the irrigation water accumulated in the soil evaporates, leaving behind salts and minerals. What are the effects of salinization on the irrigated land? Option A. It greatly increases the crop production. Option B. It makes some soils impermeable. Option C. It raises the water table. Option D. It fills the air spaces in the soil with water. The correct answer is option B. It makes some soils impermeable. Question number 18. Which of the following is the chief characteristic of mixed farming? Option A. Cultivation of both cash crops and food crops. Option B. Cultivation of 2 or more cash crops in the same field. Option C. Rearing of animals and cultivation of crops together. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option C. Rearing of animals and cultivation of crops together. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals and the cultivation of crops together. Question number 19. Contour bounding is a method of soil conservation used in option A. Desert margins, liable to strong wind action. Option B. Low flat plains, close to stream courses, liable to flooding. Option C. Scrublands, liable to spread of weed growth. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option D. None of them. Contour bounding is one of the simple methods of soil and water conservation. This technique is used in places where the land is sloppy. Due to the slope, soil and nutrients erode fast, which makes agriculture on this land very uneconomical. To adopt this technique, the agriculture fields' contours are marked and then the bunds are taken along the contours. Question number 20. The substitution of steel for wooden plows in agricultural production is an example of option A. Labor, augmenting technological progress. Option B. Capital, augmenting technological progress. Option C. Capital, reducing technological progress. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option B. Capital, augmenting technological progress. Capital, augmenting technological progress results in the more productive use of existing capital goods. For example, the substitution of steel from wooden plows in agricultural production. Question number 21. Which one of the following best describes the main objective of seed village concept? Option A. Encouraging the farmers to use their own farm seeds and discouraging them to need the seeds from others. Option B. Involving the farmers for training in quality seed production and thereby to make available quality seeds to others at appropriate time and affordable cost. Option C. Earmarking some villages exclusively for the production of certified seeds. Option D. Identifying the entrepreneurs in village and providing them technology and finance to set up seed companies. The correct answer is option B. Involving the farmers for training in quality seed production and thereby to make available quality seeds to others at appropriate time and affordable cost. The seed village concept is to promote the quality seed production of foundation and certified seed classes. The area which is suitable for raising a particular crop will be selected and raised with a single variety of kind. The foundation or certified seeds or university labeled seeds will be supplied by the university through Krishi Vigyan Kendras and research stations at 50% subsidy cost to the identified farmers in the area. Question number 22. In India, markets in agricultural products are regulated under the Option A. Essential Commodities Act, 1955. Option B. Agricultural Produce Market Committee Act enacted by states. Option C. Agricultural Produce, Grading and Marking Act, 1937. Option D. Food Products Order, 1956 and Meat and Food Products Order 1973. The correct answer is Option B. Agricultural Produce Market Committee Act enacted by states. Agricultural Produce Market Committee Act enacted by states is responsible for markets in agricultural products. Question number 23. The terms Agreement on Agriculture, Agreement on the Application of Sanitary and Phytosanitary Measures and Peace Clause appear in the news frequently in the context of the affairs of the Option A. Food and Agriculture Organization. Option B. United Nations Framework Conference on Climate Change. Option C. World Trade Organization. Option D. United Nations Environment Program. The correct answer is Option C. World Trade Organization. Agreement on Agriculture, Agreement on the Application of Sanitary and Phytosanitary Measures and Peace Clause are related to World Trade Organization. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.